Restoring sending privileges on Amazon Prime can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Check your account status. Log into your Amazon Prime account and navigate to your account settings. Ensure that your account is in good standing and that there are no outstanding issues that could affect your sending privileges. Step 2. Review sending limits. Look for any notifications regarding sending limits or restrictions. Amazon may have specific policies in place that could temporarily limit your ability to send items. Familiarize yourself with these policies. Step 3. Update payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you still have issues after checking your account and payment information, reach out to Amazon customer support. Provide them with details about your account and the specific problem you are facing. They can assist you in restoring your privileges. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email for any updates or instructions from Amazon. If your privileges are not restored within a few days, consider following up with customer support to ensure your issue is being addressed. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on Amazon Prime. If you encounter any further issues, don't hesitate to seek assistance from Amazon's support team.